Hi, welcome to Time Travel Tuesday. I'm Lisa. I'm one of the interpreters here at Historic Braddensville. And today I'm working on one of my favorite cookies, a shortbread cookie. And it's one of my favorites partly because it is so easy that we can just put it together anytime we want. So what we need is a pound of flour, half a pound of butter, half a pound of sugar, and that's it. So here we go. So I've got my butter, I've got my sugar, and I've got my flour. You can use brown sugar if you want. It's the same measurement, just pack it down. I'm gonna get in here and squish and squish and squish. This recipe is from The Art of Cookery, made plain and easy by Hannah Glass. It was first published in 1747. She calls it another sort of little cakes. So one of the things about this recipe is that you need and you need and you need and you think it's never going to become dough, and then all of a sudden it's dough. And you can roll it out and use cookie cutters on it, or you can, I usually just make little round patties with make a little ball and then flatten it out and put it on the cookie sheet. It can be a bigger ball. I have been known to do a whole plate-sized cookie because I was ready to be done with it, but ready to eat. But our dough is now ready. So they're a little soft when they come out, and I could probably leave them on the plate to cool on the cookie sheet. But come over here and cool a little bit, and then they're yummy. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.